Hi, this is Ahmad. This is my partner Nisa, and we are students at Arapaho Community College. We are hand partners. We are taking suspension steering tool with Mr. Jason Daves. Today, my partner Nisa is going to show you how to rebuild a power steering pump. We have our repairing kit right there, and we have all of our parts right there ready to rebuild the power steering pump. So we're gonna start to install our O-rings. We're gonna start to have the housing O-ring, which is the biggest one, which is the easiest one, and then we're gonna have to do the inside body ones. We have two of them. The first one goes at the bottom slot. We got it in, and the second one is going to the second one from the top, because we need to pay attention here. This slot is for the retaining spring, which is we are going to install later. We're gonna use our grease here, assembling grease, which is adds life to our O-rings to make the surface smoother. Next, we're gonna have the shaft installed in. It has two slots, and two holes. They should like match. So we have the pins in. Now she's installing the cam ring, and again it has two holes. They should match the pins diameter. And then we're going to have the pressure plate. Nice, got it in. The spring and the cover. Now we are going to have snap ring, and so we're going to use the vise, and we're going to have trick here, nice trick, so we can have it in. As long as I have this hammer, I'm going to use my body here to push it in. There we go. And now you're gonna hammer it a little bit, snug it, make sure it's seated well. Now after we install the retaining spring, we are going to have our O-rings in. Got them there and there, and we have another one. We're gonna grease them so they fit well, and then they stay in the place. We're gonna have the fitting O-ring. We need to be careful here because we have an offset, so we don't plug it. So it should be in the second slot. Gonna grease it too, so we have some grease on it. I'm gonna hold it for Nisa so we can have our reservoir in. It needs like a little bit push, so I'm gonna do this here. Let's make sure they are matched. Go. Now we're going to have our valve, the bag with the spring and the fitting. plug. Yeah, another one. Need to tighten them using our sockets and ratchets. But now we are going to do the pulley first. We're gonna have it installed back, so we are going to use our special tool for it. So have it in place. There you go. I need a wrench to hold it, please. Thank you. Hold it for you. It's like now it's getting hard. Now we need to have it tight. One way. Now we need to tighten this. And we keep going until we have it right in place. So I'm gonna have it, I believe it's like done. And now we need to have this one too, to take it off. As you see, we have it now halfway, so we just keep going on till like it sits in its place. And that's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Really?
Yeah, I say thank you.
No.